10 divided by 1/2 divided by 1/2. Pause the video. What is your answer? 10? 40. This innocent-looking expression is a classic trap. Let's dissect why it creates such massive disagreement. The conflict comes from grouping. Do we process strictly left to right? Or do our brains instinctively group the identical fractions together? The difference changes everything. Let's follow the strict laws of arithmetic. When operations have the same priority, like these two divisions, we must move from left to right. We start with the first operation on the left, 10 divided by 1/2. To solve this, we need to apply a fundamental rule of fractions. Dividing by a fraction is mathematically identical to multiplying by its reciprocal. In simple terms, to divide by 1/2, you multiply by 2. So, the first division transforms into multiplication by 2. 10 times 2 is 20. This leaves us with 20, which we must now divide by the second 1/2. We apply the rule again. Dividing 20 by 1/2 means multiplying 20 by 2. The expression becomes 20 times 2, which gives us 40. This is the mathematically correct result following standard order of operations. So why do so many people get 10? They fall into the grouping trap. When we see two identical fractions, our brain wants to cancel them out. If you perform this division first, 1/2 divided by 1/2 is 1. That collapses the problem into 10 divided by 1, which yields 10. It feels tidy, but it is incorrect because it violates the left-to-right rule. Let's visualize this geometrically to prove why the number must grow to 40. We will track the value of our number at each step of the operation. We start at 10. Step 1. Divide by 1/2. This doubles our value to 20. Step 2. Divide by 1/2 again. This doubles 20 to 40. Visualizing it as doubling makes the answer obvious. We are doubling 10 twice. 10, 20, 40. So next time you see division by a fraction, just rewrite it as multiplication. 10 times 2 times 2, 40. No ambiguity, just clear math.